How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do an engine detail on your BMW, and you don't need any special chemicals to do this kind of job. All you need is the degreaser and the armor all, and probably it's gonna cost you around $15 to do this job. So if you want your engine to look like brand new, just continue watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's get started. So today I'm gonna wash the engine, and as you can clearly see all the grease. The hood is so full of grease and dirt. Also here, so there's dirt everywhere. All the dirt. So before we wash the engine, we're gonna cover this alternator. You just have to make sure there's no water goes into the alternator. So as much as possible, when you spray with the pressure washer, you don't wet this area here, because you don't want any water on your alternator. And try to prevent the water from splashing on the wirings and some electronics. So it's just a precaution so you don't have any issue with your electronics in the BMW. So I'm gonna put a plastic bag over the alternator to prevent the water from going to the alternator. So when you spray the degreaser, it's better to start on the hood first, because you want to clean the hood first before the engine, because all the dirt from the hood will drop onto the engine. So at least you don't double the job of cleaning your engine again. So now it's time to spray the degreaser. So I'm gonna use the gunk engine cleaner and degreaser to degrease the whole hood and the engine. And then after that, I'm gonna use the Armor All Ultra Shine to make everything shiny. Now it's time to spray the hood. So we're gonna agitate the grease with this detailing brush. Now it's time to degrease the engine. Make sure you agitate all the area that needs to be cleaned properly. There's a lot of kind of like dirt stuck on it. So you have to agitate the area. There's a lot of dirt, so sometimes the degreaser cannot just clean it. You have to help it out with the detailing brush. Just remember, you have to wash your car after this, because you have a lot of degreaser all over the exterior of the car. That looks a lot better. Now it's time to dry it with compressed air. So now it's time to put the armor all on the hood and also on the engine, so to make it nice and shiny, to give it that glossy, clean, brand new finish. So after you're done with the hood, now it's time to put armor all on the engine. So I switched the bottle because this has a better spray pattern. Make sure you spread all the armor all evenly all over the engine bay, so you don't have any spots that's not covered by the armor. So that's how you do an engine detail on the BMW. So as usual guys, Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.